Hey guys, Joe Powerhouse Air. In this tech video, we'll be going over how to fix a leak from in between your body and cap along that seam. Typically, it's just one O-ring. So to start, you'll need your 2mm or 5/64 hex driver, O-ring pick, a new 1290 urethane seal for the adjustment insert, some Q-tips, a cup of 91% alcohol, blue Loctite for your set screws, and a stiff nylon brush to help clean things out. So to start, we'll take out our bottom 3 set screws on the cap, remove the cap from the body, and we can set that aside right now. Now you can grab your adjustment insert tool. This is the new Powerhouse multi-tool, so it's built into the hex driver. To remove our adjustment insert. And if you have a TKO puck system, the puck usually will get stuck in there, so we can just leave that right there for right now. Grab our O-ring pick, remove the 1290 urethane on the adjustment insert. You throw that away. Grab a nylon brush, clean out these threads and that O-ring gland. Install your new 1290 seal. And I like to use a foam tip Q-tip with grease, and you can apply that around that seal. Okay. Then double check inside the body that that's clean. That usually gets pretty dirty with calcium buildup with dirt and debris. Grab a Q-tip with alcohol, clean out down inside there in the jet area. Go ahead and reinstall your adjustment insert. And for initial setup, you can bottom it out and turn it back about a quarter turn. Okay, drop back in your puck if you're using that system. If you have a ball style seat piston, you don't have to worry about that. Reinstall your cap. Grab your set screws. We could put a little drop of blue Loctite on them to stop them from backing out. Okay, take a microfiber, clean out any excess Loctite around the body, and that will take care of a leak between the body and your cap.